We've been quarantined. The coronavirus has decided to start infecting people, and to slow the spread, everything has been closing. Since the cancellations, I have been occupying my time with only the important things.
No.
Why not?
Why do you have to have a green one?
Fine, we'll just pick a different color. Oh, stop. Need to film his 3-point contest, but
Kidding.
And another one.
I was kidding. Stop.
that was until we got our schoolwork. School is fine, it doesn't take that long, and everything was going well. Until my TV teacher had the audacity to copy me. We're supposed to make a little how-to video while we're at home. And he made a sandwich in the example. It was 100% a cheap knockoff of Cooking with Gavin. I am not exaggerating at all. So, I'm going to show him up. I'm going to make a better sandwich. Making a sandwich is not hard. In fact, it's pretty easy. If you can't make a sandwich, have fun living in your parents' basement for the rest of your life. For this sandwich, you'll need bread, butter, mayo, cheese, lettuce, and roast beef. You can add more, or you can add less. This is just what I used. You'll start by buttering one side of your bread, and you'll see why we did that in a minute. Put a little bit of butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat and let it melt. Now, you'll take one piece of bread and put it in your pan on melted butter, the non-butter side down, and you'll wait for it to brown. Once it's browned and looking all nice and fine, you'll flip it over and add your mayo and cheese. By cooking one side in butter, we made it a little more firm so our mayo is easy to spread and our sandwich doesn't look like crap. Once the other side of your bread is nice and brown, you'll remove the entire bottom half of your sandwich and separately add the lettuce and roast beef. Now you'll cook your other piece of bread the same way we did the first, and wow, look at that, you just made a sandwich. You go, girl. There you go, Mr. Good. A how-to video. One that's better than yours. And if you think that you can one-up me like that again, you can't. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Gavin. I hope to see you next time where I one-up my math teacher.